Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Triple Q report for Monday, February 7th, 2022. Before we look at the charts, as usual, I just want to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the daily Triple Q report. It does help us out a great deal with whether or not we are found on YouTube when people search for Triple Q or Nasdaq-100 analysis. So I appreciate it very much, each and every like we get. And subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. That includes the daily Triple Q report. So seeing it and viewing it before the opening bell, certainly when it's relevant for your day ahead, is important, in my opinion, for your trading and analysis. So let's take a look at the charts. This is just a reminder of that over 2 weeks ago, we settled below that channel bottom that is today, Monday, at 375.60, and below which I'm still anticipating 326.84 over the weeks ahead. Whether it's the next week or two, or whether it doesn't occur really until the very end of February or into March, it's obviously difficult to ascertain. I do have a signal for that where it should play out within a week or two. Let's actually talk about that right now. We'll open this chart up, and this is a chart that I showed actually late last week. These numbers are changing daily. You've got a channel bottom at 351.77, a short-term channel bottom that includes the last week and a half, 2 weeks of trade. And there's also a rising two-thirds speed line at 351.31. So it's nice and close. It's not a wide range. It's very tradable for day trading. This is an area where I say in the support and resistance can contain, say, the 3 to 5 day lows. We could bounce here into later week, possibly get back up into the mid 370s following a test of that 351.31 to 77 area. And that area is in reach today. I'll get to that in a moment. But if we close below it, and that's the real purpose I'm showing here. Not only is it a good area to stick your neck out if you're an aggressive day trader or swing trader, 3 to 5 day swing traders, this is your support area. And then from here, we could push not only into the upper 360s, which you can see here, 368.41 to 49, but that 375 and change area within the week, within a matter of 3 to 5 days. But if we close below 351.31, we should retest the lows from a couple of weeks ago at 334.15 within just a few days. And then honestly, I do think having settled below 351.31, we should expect by the end of next week that 326.84 long-term support level, that channel bottom spanning 2 years and able to contain annual selling pressures when tested, FYI. Let's take a look at the support and resistance for today. I've got the 351.31 to 77 area I mentioned can contain 3 to 5 day lows, and once tested, that 375.60 channel bottom in reach within 3 to 5 days. On the way up today, a lot of minor points, all very tradable for aggressive day traders, but 361.04 stands out as kind of our soft pivot point for the day, below which 351.77 in reach, above which 368.41 in reach, where we can top out for the day. If we were to push above 368.41 today, I don't know if we can get to 375.60 on an intraday basis. I mean, of course it's possible, but I do think it'll require a settlement today above 368.41 to yield at 375.60 area probably tomorrow. And you can see that 368.41 is a rising 1/3 speed line we settled below a couple of days ago. And it's also the high settlement price from a few days ago at 368.41. So a very close area, 8 ticks, able to contain daily buying pressures. But if we close above it, then we can expect a revisit of that 375.60 long-term channel bottom. I'm going to open the chart up a little bit and show it here. 375.60 is also in very close correspondence with a descending 2/3 speed line that today is at 377.88. Now, I'm not expecting to see that today, but we may actually see it this week, holding above that 351 support that I showed earlier. 375.60 to 377.88 can contain buying through February. Keep in mind that this rally we've had over the last week or so is counter trend in nature from the midterm outlook. Longer term, we're still bullish above 326 and change, that long-term channel bottom I mentioned a moment ago. But midterm, that is to say over the next 3 to 5 weeks, this market remains heavy below 375.60, prone to falling to new lows here over the next few weeks. Not until or unless we close above 377.88 do I see not only a good February low, but probably a good low into the second quarter. I would expect at least that 408.71 high from November within 2 to 3 weeks. And honestly, there's a lot going on in the 420s I could show you, but I really don't want to do that yet until we see what low is good. And that would be a settlement above 377.88. I think we've got a good move low. And the 420s then anticipated within maybe as little as 3 to 5 weeks, couple of months at the most. I'm going to leave you with the support and resistance here today. I don't really need to go over it anymore. I think I covered it pretty well. Please click like if you haven't already. Each and every time you watch the Daily Triple Q Report, subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. I'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday, for another edition of the Daily Triple Q Report. That's all I've got. You have a great day, and we will talk soon.